Welcome to everyone. We know that insurance is very important aspect of a business entity. So we take the insurance to avoid the extent of risks. We can't say that we totally eliminate the risk factor from the business organization. But yes, at some extent we can avoid it. There is one topic that is known as a reinsurance and another one known as a double insurance. So, what is reinsurance? Reinsurance, sometime an insurance company accept a huge risk. It finds it difficult to bear the entire amount of risk itself. In such a situation, the company called reinsured gets a part of the risk insured with another insurance company or a group of insurance companies. This is known as reinsurance. Thus, reinsurance contract is a contract between two or more insurance companies. The reinsured or underwriter pays insurance premium to the re-underwriter or reinsurer. So what we find out, that definition which I told you, or the meaning, that when insurance company accept a great risk, it finds very difficult to bear the entire amount of risk itself. In that case or in that situation, the company gets a part of the risk insured with the another insurance company or a group of insurance company. They known as a reinsurer, and the company who take this thing, who do this thing, is known as a reinsured. Then we will move to the another term, that is double insurance. What is this double insurance is? When the insured feels that he has insured for a lesser amount than the value of his property, he may obtain another insurance policy for the same property. So, in the case of double insurance, it is coming as that when the company feel that they take in the policy for the less amount, when they feel that they take in the policy for the lesser amount than the value of his property, they go for the another insurance policy for the same property. This is known as a double insurance. Double insurance means insurance with two or more insurance companies on the same risks and the same subject matter, but for different amount, so as to ensure a complete insurance protection. Double insurance is useful only in case of life insurance. Okay, so this double insurance is useful only case of the life insurance, because we learn and we know that for other property we can't take the two policy at a time. Now, what are the differences coming under double insurance and the reinsurance? Because we learned that both are more than one policy. So what is the difference coming under that, we will learn. Distinction between reinsurance and double insurance. Actually, reinsurance is to distribute liability for loss. It is a matter of distributing the liability for loss. In the double insurance, to obtain protection in case of insolvency of an insurer. because reinsurance is something where the risk is huge. For that reason, the things are taking at more place, means the insurance are going to be taken from more insurance company. And double insurance is where the policy is taken less than the value of the given assets. Reinsurance have parties known as insurer and the reinsurer. Double entries are double sorry, not double entries. Double insurance is having two parties, insurers and insured. In the case of reinsurance, the original insured cannot claim compensation from the reinsurer. But in the case of double insurance, the insured can claim compensation from all insurers. The legal nature for reinsurance is obligatory in some cases under the law. And in the case of double insurance is not essential under any law. It is not essential under any kind of law. Liability of insurer. The liability for loss falls on the insurer, who in turn can claim compensation from the reinsurer. All insurers are liable to share the loss in proportion to the sum insured by each. Next we have the question of over insurance does not arise in the case of reinsurance. In the case of double insurance, there may be over insurance when the total sum of all the policies is greater than the value of the property. Reinsurance desirable in all cases of fire and marine insurance. Double insurance case desirable in case of life insurance only. Thank you everyone.